So I released the video, was it yesterday, and in that video we talked about more of like the TDI, the Traders Dynamic Index, and the timing, okay, timing and session. Okay, so here we have, I just said I should quickly make this video. This euro GBP, that's euro pounds, and as you could see, we just left the Asian box. I believe you could see. I'm sorry for the previous video where my mouse was not showing, and here you could see we more of like have a pull. We have some pushes to the downside. Actually, I was hoping I would get my bias actually was to sell this pair. Okay, I was to sell this pair, but I was hoping to get something like this. I was hoping to get something like this, maybe more of like a let's say a stone point to this side. Okay, I was hoping for something like this. So, and we'll get the drop. Okay, more of like price going to the 200 EMA, which is the major, and I'll look for a pattern there. But surprisingly, we are getting the order. You understand? We are getting a push to the downside. Okay, you know I initially talked about the TDI, right? I talked about the TDI, and now I talked about how when you come to the market and you see the TDI already blown out. Okay, so we're having something like this. Okay, we're having a similar case. Okay, so here we have the TDI already taken out, and we're having the TDI already taken out, and sorry, I don't know. It's funny how up until now I find difficulties working with TradingView, or maybe the tutorial aspect of it. Okay, sorry, back to the subject matter. Okay, so I was talking about the TDI here. You could see our TDI here is blown out. I talked about these levels in my previous video. Now we have price at I think below 20, about this is like the RSI at 13. Okay, and at 22, this very green line here is my 22 line, which shows shows oversold, and we have this, which this zone here between these two, we have the 22 and the 32, while the upper one we have the 68 and the 78. So I was actually hoping price would actually go up. Let's say we have price on the TDI, let's say we'll get price go up and form something like this. So I was hoping I'll get something like this. Okay, but you could see here we are having a push. Should I call it a stomp point? Take note, sometimes even the stomp point can be with the trend. You understand? They can push up, move up, and push down again. Okay, so this may be a stomp point move, but it's not my trade setup. You understand? I was hoping for a push up, and then we'll see price coming down, but now we are having price pushing down, but now price is at this oversold area. Like I said in the previous video, when you come to the London session and you get price pushing this down, definitely there will be buy opportunities before the day runs out, before the trading days runs out. So for me, that normally I don't trade outside this box, I normally trade in the London box. What I'll be looking for now, if I was to get a W, I will go for that W. Okay, so now I just wait. You could see now the bears are in full control. You could see the different we are having same candlestick. It would be bad to just jump in and buy because prices are oversold. You understand? So you don't do that. Okay, so now we will be looking for buy opportunities. Okay, you could see how price is still coming down. Let me quickly delete this. Okay, so now we would be looking at, and you could just decide to use this period while waiting for buy opportunities. You use this time to to know or look at the higher time frame to see where price is heading to. Okay, you could see here we have price at oversold area. Your TDI is blown out, you understand. Now you go to your H1 chart. If I was to go to the H1 chart, let me go to the H1 chart and see where there are potential areas. You could see here. Okay, so this is our price right now. Okay, this price right now, you could see this is where we are, and we have several demand, how will I put it, yeah, more of like demand zone here, you understand. We have demand zone here. Let me draw it out. Let me see if I can. Let me use this. Okay, so we have more of like a demand zone here. So I'm sorry that I'm doing this. I'm supposed to just draw a line, I know. Okay, I'm supposed to just, so you could see we have something more of like a demand zone here, and we may get price coming down. We may get price coming down to this very place. We may get price coming down. That's price may get to that point, you understand, because right now the bears are in control. So you don't just jump in. Right now you could see there are no form of support here. Okay, this is one price at this very level here. The price, it's looking as if it will break it. Then your TDI is already blown out. We are looking for buy opportunities, but you don't just jump into the buy, because we have another zone where price might just decide to come to. So sometimes you let trade like this just play out. I want to buy right now. My initial bias was to sell. If I had gotten price go come up or go up, just like I said, where I drew the M, if I win the M15, if I was to get an M, I would have looked for sell opportunities. But right now we have a move, price is just coming down, and on our M15 we've seen that price is the TDI is blown out already. So now I will as well change my bias to buy opportunities, because I'm not a swing trader, I'm an intraday trader. I follow price. Okay, I don't predict where the price would go, but I react, you understand. So this is me reacting. This is how I react to price. But on this case here, I want to buy bet, not forgetting the fact that we have some areas that price may just decide to get to, you understand. So price may just decide to come down to this place, you understand. So that's sorry. Okay, so price may just decide to come down to this very area here, okay. You could see so it's not really far again. Okay, so this is price right now. You could see it's not far, so we may just let price come down, and when we get the buy, take note, our buy would be looking for a W. Okay, so this is okay, what level is that? I don't just this, it's like, it's at is it okay, let me try and see what level is that. Okay, so we may get price just coming down to that 0.88623. okay, price may still come down to that area, even if in our M15 we are having the TDI blown out. You have to look at the higher time frame to see where is price heading to. Okay, so when price comes to this area, we can still start looking for the W. When we get a W, we know that price is reacting at this support here, this demand zone here. Then you go for it. Even though the buyers you want to sell, I want to sell this pair, but with what price is doing now, I would have to look for buy opportunities, because the TDI is showing overbought, oversold, you understand. So it's very important. The TDI is showing oversold at these early hours of the day. We still have about how many hours for the trading time? About should it be up to few okay, so let's say we have 2, that's like about 12 hours more, 12 hours, you understand. We just started the London session and the TDI is already blown out. We have the New York session, you understand. So definitely there's definitely gonna be buy opportunities, but right now sellers are still in control. Let's see when price comes down. Okay, so let's see when price comes down to that zone. Let's see how price reacts there. Okay, so let's see how price may just come down, you understand. Let's see how price reacts at this very zone here. Okay, so when we get a buy here, we may have to go for it. Take note, this is just this is the H1 chart. Okay, so if I get buy opportunities here, I would go for it. Let's go back to our M15. Take note, our M15 price is already the TDI is already blown out. Okay, the TDI is blown out already. Okay, the TDI is blown out already. Look at the TDI. You could see this is where we are in the TDI. You understand? This is where we are in the TDI. Let me look at this chart here. Trying to sorry. We're talking about Euro GBP. So this is on MT4. Okay, so I was hoping price will come down to my sell zone where the MA200 is and we'll get an M, but you see here price is already taking out this guy. Okay, I also have a strategy where I trade the break of the Asian low, but I'll talk about that in our subsequent videos. Okay, so now you see the TDI is already blown out. Definitely will get buy opportunities today. I don't care if it's just 30 pips, but that will be something, you understand. So all I would be doing right now is to wait for that buy opportunity. That's how I trade, you understand. I hope you get what I'm trying to say here, and please comment if you understand what I'm trying to say and if it's in line with how you actually trade too. That would be cool for me to hear. Okay, so we have our TDI blown out, you understand. Price right now is at about 10, you understand, where oversold starts from my oversold, extremely oversold starts from 22, but now we are at about 11 or 10 or so, you understand. So, and I will just check the H1 and we'll see how we could where price is likely to come to. Okay, we still have more areas to go down to for us to start looking for buy opportunities, you understand. So at this area, when we get buy opportunities, the TDI is already at overblown, the oversold area is already blown out. So when you get buy opportunities, more of like a W. If I get a W here now, I'll go for it, you understand. If I get a good W, look at my TDI. Let's say we'll get this. If I was to get a W, what's happening? Sorry. If I get a W here, okay, if I get a W, I'll go for it, you understand. I'll go for a W if I get it here. Okay, just like one price, if I get a W, I'll go for it, you understand. If I get a W, I would go for that W with what price is doing right now. Okay, this is where more of like this is like a stomp hunt move. Okay, triggering all the sales and the rest. Okay, so if I was to get a W, I'll go for it, you understand. So I just wanted to make this video and share it with you guys, more of like buttressing the video I just released the previous video, and this was a good example for me to emphasize on and buttress the previous video. So we have price on the TDI blown out, and now my bias was to sell, but with this stomp hunt move and the TDI blown out, I would have to be looking for buy opportunities, because definitely there's going to be buy opportunities today, you understand. So thank you very much, and I hope you follow this up. Okay, on this video, you could, after seeing this video, we could see how price will play out later, and you will definitely see there will be buy opportunities. Thanks very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's grow this channel, please. More content yet to come. Okay, more content are yet to come. We have a Telegram group. You can also join our community where we share our trades and we talk a lot. You see several group of good traders who are doing great. So thank you very much, and stay safe, stay blessed, and try and keep it simple, okay? And keep learning. You understand? Keep learning.